Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts, standard 11, part 2. Part 2, first chapter. The last video I taught you, every one of you know the beautiful part from chapter 1 of part 2, which is called rectifications of errors. Students, once again I want to tell you, few chapters out of the 22 chapters from both part 1 as well as the part 2, 11 plus 11. Few chapters little थोड़ा complicated है, just like the ledger posting. It is not at all complicated. If you understand in simple way, it will be very easy. Rectification chapter, it is also like that. If you do not understand from the beginning, step by step, few steps, 3 to 4 steps, if you do not understand, then it will create a problem. So try to understand from the beginning, what is this and what we are going to do. It's called rectifications. I told you some of the chapters you might have seen, I did not teach you according to your book, which book has explained or explanations of the book which it was given. My own method, which is quick and shortcut method, I taught you. Rectifications also have one chapter. It is very interesting chapter if you understand. But if you do not understand from the beginning, it will be complicated for you and it will create problems for that. So my request is that don't keep any doubt in your mind. What is this? How we will do? These are two things you have to understand. BRS, the sweet and shortcut method I told, do which is not done. Like that, here also we will do it. So let us see and let us start the illustration 1 of page number 5. Illustration 1 of page number 5 in your textbook, you see your answer, it is given in the next page of page number 6. There are the total 8 journal are given and 8 journal answer it is given. But I will not do like that. Beginning I will not follow your book answer. I will tell you details, it will take time. But 1 or 2 illustrations if you follow which way I am doing, third illustration onward, you will be able to do the answer directly. This is the answer which is given in the next page, page number 6, is the answer directly. But I will not take that way. Which way I am telling, that let you know. Rectifications means corrections of the wrong or the mistakes. Am I correct? Rectification means corrections of the wrong or the corrections of the mistakes. First of all, mistakes is one type? No, there are so many different types of mistakes are there. So before doing the correction, first you have to identify what type of mistake it is there. Suppose if you are not able to identify the mistakes, you will not be able to correct it. Two work are there. One is you have to identify the mistakes proper way. Suppose mistakes, it is written 2 more, but you got the mistake 2 less, that means your correction will be wrong. If you are not able to find out the correct mistakes, you will not able to do the correct corrections. तो आपको 2 वर्क करना है, एक identify the mistakes, second one and how to correct it. So you know that whenever a patient is going to the doctor place, the doctor's chamber, or any problems in the health, if first doctor has to identify what is his problems. If doctor is not able to identify what is his problem, what for headache comes, or what for leg pain comes, or what for stomach is paining. Suppose it is headache, the problem was in the head, but medicine was given for the stomach. Doctor has done the mistake because doctor could not identify he is having the headache, suppose. And headache he is having, suppose due to the stomach pain. Just example try to understand so that you can be able to understand the questions. A patient is having a headache and he has gone to the doctor place and told that I am having the headache, and doctor thought that we have to give the medicine for the headache. Stopache. like that. But actually the headache was there due to the stomach pain. The pain it was in the stomach, or problems it was in the stomach, due to that headache was there, but doctor could not identify. Doctor thought that one it is a headache for any another smoker, and doctor has given the medicines. Do you think that we will apply and the medicine will work? The medicine will not work, because the medicine what has been given by the doctor, it was on the basis of the headache, not on the basis of the stomach. So once if you are not able to identify the mistakes, because every question will not say directly where you have done the mistakes. You have to read the question and you have to identify actually mistakes what is done. Actual mistake what is done, every question it will not be clearly mentioned. Some of the question it will be mentioned clearly, some of the question it will not be mentioned clearly. तो आपको दो काम करना है. एक, first you have to identify the mistakes proper way, and then you have to correct it. If you know the what is having his problem in his body, then I can write the medicine. Even I am not a doctor, because कौन सा बीमार के लिए कौन सा दवाई है, which medicine is applicable for which disease, that the books are available in the market. Books are available in the market, which medicine will be given for which disease. But that is not a work at all, that by seeing the book I can identify. But question is that what is having the problems, that is the most important. Correction is not a work at all. Identify the mistake is the most important. Once again I am telling you, once if you are able to identify the mistakes, then you will be able to identify you will be able to do the corrections. So let us see what is given in illustration 1 of page number 5. Pass necessary journalities in the books of Sri Rakesh to rectify the following errors. So we have to rectify. Here journalities I will pass for the corrections. This is David, every one of you know, and this is Kerry also, every one of you know. This is particulars, this is SL number, this is journal entries, or in the books of whatever you are talking. I will do in another way. First, rupees 1,500 withdrawn from the bank for personal use is left to be recorded. Read the question and try to identify the mistake first. Read the question and try to identify the mistakes first. Then we will go for correction. 1,500 withdrawn from the bank for personal use. You have taken 1,500 from the bank for personal use. What is the journal for that? If you have taken money from the bank for personal use, your journal is the drawings account debit to bank. Am I correct? Drawings account debit to bank. This is your journal. It should be. But what happened? It is left to be recorded. You have not written it. आपने ये जर्नल बुक में लिखा ही नहीं है, तो आपको जर्नल आएगा which is called drawings account debit to bank. Narration I am not writing, narrations you will write. 1,500, 1,500. Once again I am telling you, you have taken money from the bank for personal use. Your journal is drawings account debit to bank. That journal you have not written in the journal book. So I correct. First question, totally mistake of omission. It is called mistakes of omission. मतलब totally omit कर लिया. ऐसा नहीं है, एक लिखना था उसका जगह आपने दूसरा कुछ लिखा. ये टोटली omit किया इसलिए लिख दिया. Second question onwards you will find out which way I am doing my method. I told that several times that switch and shortcut method I will tell you. Second one onwards I will tell you. Installation charges paid rupees 400 on a purchase of the machinery. Installation charges paid rupees 400 on purchase of the machinery is debited to Sundry expense account. आपको ये क्वेश्चन में पहले आपको पढ़ना है, पढ़ने के बाद आपको डिसीजन लेना है। करेक्ट जर्नल मिस्टेक नहीं करता है तो इफ आई वुड हैव नॉट डन द मिस्टेक व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल जर्नल। दूसरा फाइंड करना है मैंने वो जगह पे मैंने क्या लिखा। तीसरा फाइंड करना है व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर रेक्टिफिकेशन। 1 second you follow. Installation charges paid rupees 400 on purchase of the machinery. यहाँ तक पढ़ो। Installation charges paid rupees 5. It will take time, but first 1 or 2 questions you try to understand. Installation charges paid rupees 400 on purchase of the machinery. You tell me what is the journal. Installation charges rupees 500 for purchase of the machinery. If you write installation charges account debit to cash, it will be wrong. मतलब you could not identify the correct one. आप मिस्टेक नहीं करता था तो आपने क्या जर्नल लिखता था। Installation charges of the machinery of rupees 500 for purchase of the machinery, your actual journal मतलब original entry is called machinery account debit. ये आपको सोचना चाहिए। machinery account debit to cash. This is your journal which is 400. Correct journal. 1 second. First you read the question and then you write that correct answer. Installation charges paid rupees 500 on purchase of the machinery. इसको जर्नल होना था machinery account debit to cash is debited to Sundry expense account. ये मिस्टेक हुआ। अभी आई विल आइडेंटिफाई मैंने ये जर्नल का जगह दूसरा क्या जर्नल मैंने गलती कहा किया। is debited to what is called Sundry expense account. मैंने डेबिट किसको करना था machinery account debit to cash लिखना था लेकिन लिखा क्या wrong entry. What I wrote Sundry expense account debit to cash. ये मैंने लिखा अमाउंट 400 का जगह 400 लिखा। देखो how I am identifying the mistakes and how I am doing, you follow it. मैंने 400 रुपया इंस्टॉलेशन चार्जेस पे किया। I paid 400 for installation charges for purchase of the machine. My actual journal or the original journal it should be machinery account debit to cash. But I debited not to machinery but to Sundry expense account. मैंने जब जर्नल पास किया तब ने बोला is debited to Sundry expense account. मतलब machinery जगह पे मैंने Sundry expense लिखो डेबिट किया लेकिन nothing is said about the cash. So which is not said that is correct. डेबिट में मिस्टेक किया क्रेडिट का बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं है। If it is not mentioned anything about the credit account then you will understand there is no wrong. So कैश का किसको क्रेडिट किया वो बोला नहीं था। That means we understood we credited to cash only. So there is no mistake in the cash account to cash. यहाँ लिखा था मिस्टेक यहाँ भी जो रॉन्ग एंट्री पास किया हुआ कैश अकाउंट को मैंने क्रेडिट किया। Only mistake was there. मशीनरी का डेबिट करना था लेकिन Sundry एक्सपेंस को डेबिट हो गया। यहाँ तक आपको सोचना चाहिए। आपको यहाँ तक आ गया तो ये आ जाएगा original entry, wrong entry, rectified entry. Now what I will do? There is no mistake in the credit account. यहाँ 2 कैश करना था मैंने जो wrong entry में भी 2 कैश हो गया so credit अकाउंट में कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है। मिस्टेक was there in that machinery अकाउंट को डेबिट करना था लेकिन Sundry एक्सपेंस अकाउंट को डेबिट कर दिया। जो अकाउंट को गलती से मैंने डेबिट किया कौन से अकाउंट में गलती को डेबिट किया Sundry एक्सपेंस को डेबिट किया। अभी और एक एक्स्ट्रा एंट्री मैं पास कर दूं जहाँ सैंडी एक्सपेंस को मैंने क्रेडिट कर दूँ। तो यार आई वुड राइट हियर टू सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट वन एक्स्ट्रा जर्नल आई विल पास सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट, और मेसिनरी अकाउंट को डेबिट नहीं हुआ, मेसिनरी अकाउंट डेबिट। If I pass on journal, extra journal, I don't know, you cannot touch the wrong one. यहाँ तो सैंडी एक्सपेंस को रैप करके मेसिनरी अकाउंट लिख दो तो हो जाएगा। If I wrap the sundry expense account and if I write a machinery account, my correction will be done. But I cannot touch the wrong one. I told you that in the first video I told you cannot touch the wrong one, but you have to write something else to correct it. I have written one extra journal, automatically that this will be corrected. क्यों? गलती से सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट हो गया, मैंने उसको क्रेडिट कर दिया और एक एक्स्ट्रा अकाउंट में, मतलब डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट बिकम जीरो। एक बार वो गलती से आ गया, उसको गलती से मैंने भागा भी दिया, वो डेबिट में आया था उसको मैंने क्रेडिट कर दूँ, क्रेडिट में आएगा तो उसको मैंने डेबिट कर दूँ। तो एक्स्ट्रा जर्नल में सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट को यहाँ डेबिट हो गया था, उसको मैंने क्रेडिट कर दिया, तो सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट जीरो हो गया। और मेसिनरी अकाउंट डेबिट नहीं हुआ था, सो आई रोट हियर मेसिनरी अकाउंट। नाउ यू सी दिस इज योर आंसर व्हिच इज गिवन इन योर बुक, but I have not written the direct answer here. How this answer is coming, step by step I go. Actually, I want the answer of this. This I want debit to cash, but I have not written. A लिखने का जगह मैंने A लिखा, इसको करेक्शन करने के लिए मैंने A जर्नल पास किया। अभी ये दोनों जर्नल, these two journal, one is the wrong and another one is the correction. This is the mistake. What you have done, मतलब disease. And this is the medicines. This is the disease, what you have done, and this is the medicine. Well, what is you are having the problem in your body? This is the disease, and this is the medicines for that. Now, if I make it a combine of these two journal, mistake किया और मैं correction किया, तो automatically ये होना चाहिए। देखो सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट and सैंडी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट will be cancelled and left will be मेसिनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश। वो मेरा को चाहिए था। मेसिनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, this I did, which I got in where measurement to cash. So beginning I will teach you like that way one or two illustrations where how you are coming to this place. This is the answer which your book has given. How you are getting this answer, that explanation I have told you here. Machinery account debit to cash is the correct journal which you have not written. Keep in mind, machinery account debit to cash is the correct journal which you have not written. Instead of that, you wrote this one, sundry expense account debit to cash, and as you have written wrong, and I made a new journal or an extra journal to correct it, and I corrected it, and wrong and corrections दोनों मिलके, if I make it a combined these two journal, I get the machinery account debit to cash. Like that, I will tell you one by one all. Where the three journals I will make you tell you the three journals. One is the originality, what is the actual answer, second one wrong entry, what mistakes you have done, and third one the mistakes whatever you have done, then how will correct it. Okay. Let us see the second one. What is given the second one? Same way you. What will do? I told you read the question, try to identify. आपने mistake नहीं किया, नहीं कर सकता तो आपको क्या जर्नल होता था और mistake आपने क्या किया और उसको correction. एक बार आपको original entry और wrong entry आ जाएगा तो if you know the original entry or if you know the wrong entry, automatically you will be able to identify the last one correct entry. Second, third one, 500 paid to Kajal is debited to Rajal's account by mistake. See, the mistake is only in place of K it is R. बाकी कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है, थोड़ा मिस्टेक है, K का जगह आपने R लिख दिया, तो आर को के करने के लिए इतना ही काफी है, बस हो गया। के का जगह आर हो गया ना, काजल का जगह राजल लिख दिया, मतलब मिस्टेक हुआ है। के जे ए एल आर ए जे ए एल मिस्टेक कहाँ है? काजल की जगह राजल, राजल हो गया तो यहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ ना, थोड़ा देखो यहाँ मिस्टेक, तो यहाँ ऐसा ना कर दो तो काजल हो जाएगा। लेकिन आप टच नहीं कर सकते हैं, यू कैन नॉट टच द रॉन्ग वन। तो आप करेक्शन करने के लिए आपको न्यू अकाउंट, न्यू एंट्री पास करना है। 500 paid to Kajal. First you tell me, you paid 500 to Kajal. What is the correct answer? Original entry. I am writing here original entry. 500 paid to Kajal. So your journal is Kajal account debit to cash. This is your journal. How much? 500. Here आपको सोचना, this much you should know. Then only you will be able to do. 500 rupees paid to Kajal. Your journal is Kajal account debit to cash. But mistake क्या है? It is given, it is debited to Rajal's account. But debit आपने wrong entry, आपने क्या किया? Rajal account debit to cash. Cash का बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं है, मतलब क्रेडिट अकाउंट का बारे में nothing is said. This is given. This is original entry. This is wrong entry. Now we will do the RE, मतलब rectified entry. This is the answer. What your book has given directly. मैंने कहा देखो यहाँ मिस्टेक नहीं है, काजल डेबिट नहीं हुआ, राजल डेबिट हो गया, राजल डेबिट हो गया तो राजल का मैंने क्रेडिट कर दिया, तो राजल अकाउंट कैंसिल हो गया। और काजल को डेबिट नहीं हुआ तो I write here Kajal account debit. If I pass this journal, Kajal account debit to Rajal, extra journal, automatically the mistakes will be rectified. See Rajal debit and Rajal debit cancel हो जाएगा, Kajal account debit to cash तो आ जाएगा। आपको ये सोचना है, if I have not done the mistake, what is the correct answer? ये आपको नहीं आएगा, suppose you do not know this one, or if you are not able to identify the mistakes, then here also will be mistakes. आपने यहाँ Kajal account debit to cash का जगह cash account debit to cancel कर दिया, तो आपको ये भी wrong हो जाएगा। Next number 4, our bills receivable of ₹1550 accepted by the Kamal is recorded in the books by ₹500. See mistakes, how many types of mistakes will come, we cannot see. So many types of mistakes will come, different types of mistakes will come. We cannot say you that what type of mistakes are there. Mistake is not the one type. You might have seen that one. Various students are doing the mistakes in different way. Mistakes it may be in the journal, mistakes it may be in the ledger, mistakes it may be in the totaling, or maybe the amount, maybe in the account. So where from mistakes will come, that I cannot tell you. You might have seen that one. Whenever a teacher is checking the answer sheet, the same questions, different students are doing different types of mistakes. All the students are not doing one type of mistake. Someone is doing the mistakes of addition, someone is doing the mistakes of reduction, someone is doing the mistakes of that account, some of them are doing the mistakes of the accounts. So what type of mistakes will come, we do not know. And where from also it will come, that also we do not know. It may be from the journal, it may be from the ledger, or some other else. अभी यहाँ मिस्टेक्स कैसे करें? नंबर 4, our bills receivable of ₹1550 accepted by the Kamal. आपको पहले यहाँ तक पढ़ के what is the actual journal you should know. A bills receivable of ₹1550 accepted by the Kamal, मतलब you have received a bill. Bill chapter still is not there because bill chapter is there in the part 2. But even though you know, if you are getting the bill receivable account debit, from whom you are getting, that account will be credited. Once again, if you are getting the bill, somebody is accepted, your journal should be bills receivable account debit to somebody from whom you are getting. And if you are giving the bill, it is the reverse. Bills payable account will be credited. आपको याद रखना है, bills receivable account debit and bills payable account will be credit. So one bill which you have received from Kamal of rupees 1550, your journal, this is I think 4 or 5, this is 4 and this is 3, this is 4. So original entry, first of all you have write what is the original entry. Your entry is there, bills receivable account debit to Kamal account. This is your journal 1550. Actual journal this one. But now you have to identify what actually you wrote. Wrong entry. आपने क्या लिखा है? ये आपने लिखा नहीं था. This is the actual journal. You have received a bill from Kamal. Which journal is bill receivable account debit to Kamal. But you wrote here is recorded in the books by ₹500. आपने journal में ठीक लिखा bills receivable account debit to Kamal. मिस्टेक आपने कहा किया अकाउंट, देखो RE, why you have done the mistake they are telling 1550 का जाएगा, आपने 500 लिखा. कौन सा अकाउंट में लिखा? डेबिट की क्रेडिट, दैट इज नॉट मेंशन. इफ इट इज नॉट मेंशन मींस यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड that you wrote in the both the debit as well as the credit. Previous one you might have seen the mistake was not in the amount, this was the amount, but mistake was there in the account. The mistakes may come either from the amount or from the account, wherever it is. That I told you, very difficult to identify the mistakes. Once if you are able to understand the mistakes, correction is very easy. आपको यहाँ जर्नल में अकाउंट में मिस्टेक नहीं हुआ. बिल रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू bills receivable account debit to Kamal, that also here you wrote bill receivable account debit to Kamal, but mistakes you have done 1550 पे जाकर 500. तो आपने 1550 का जगह 500 रुपये का एंट्री पास किया. जिसको डेबिट करना था उसको डेबिट किया, जिसको क्रेडिट करना था उसको भी क्रेडिट किया. तो मैंने क्या करूँ, और एंट्री एक्स्ट्रा पास कर दूँ. कितना अमाउंट का डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू, मतलब 1050 प्लस 500 इक्वल टू 1550. तो एक्स्ट्रा जनरल पास कर दो. तो बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॉमन अकाउंट, ऐसे और चैनल पास कर दो. तो सेम अमाउंट जो डेबिट कम हुआ था तो मैंने डेबिट बढ़ा दिया. तो टोटल डेबिट कितना होगा, मेरा को चाहिए 1550. एक बार 500 को डेबिट किया और एक बार 1050 को डेबिट किया. तो बिल रिसीवेबल डेबिट 1550 हो गया एंड कैश अकाउंट डेबिट आल्सो 1550 हो गया. तो डेबिट अमाउंट को कम लिखा तो डेबिट करो, डेबिट अमाउंट को कम लिखा तो डेबिट किया, क्रेडिट अकाउंट को भी कम लिखा तो क्रेडिट किया. तो डेबिट को डेबिट करो तो अमाउंट बढ़ता है, क्रेडिट को क्रेडिट करो तो अमाउंट बढ़ता है. अभी सपोज उल्टा हो गया, सपोज ये 1550 का जा रहा है, यहाँ सपोज 2550 हो गया. सपोज 1550 डेबिट करना था, 2550 डेबिट हो गया. 1550 क्रेडिट करना था, 2550 क्रेडिट हो गया. तो क्या करो, डेबिट को ज़्यादा डेबिट हो गया तो उसको क्रेडिट कर दो, रिवर्स कर दो, तो एंट्री चेंज हो जाएगा. दैट टाइम हियर इट विल कम द कॉमन अकाउंट डेबिट टू दिया. क्यों रिवर्स करना है, ज़्यादा हो गया डेबिट अमाउंट, ज़्यादा हो गया तो उसको कम करने के लिए क्रेडिट करना है. कितना 500. देखो 1550 है, हो गया 2550. डेबिट ज़्यादा हो गया तो डेबिट को और एक बार क्रेडिट कर दो. तो bill common account it was credited, but I made it debit. Bill issued account debited, I made it credit. तो आपको याद रखना है, डेबिट अकाउंट कम हो गया तो डेबिट ही करना है, क्रेडिट अकाउंट कम हुआ तो क्रेडिट ही करना है, डेबिट अकाउंट ज़्यादा हो गया तो क्रेडिट करना है, क्रेडिट अकाउंट ज़्यादा हो गया तो डेबिट करना है. Like that few concepts you have to keep so that it will be very easy for you to understand. I think you are understanding, I do not know, you are understanding or not. So you follow that one very deeply and I will tell you one by one all these. Page number 5, question number, illustration number 1, question number 5. Goods of which 700 sold to Shwetu is recorded in purchase book by mistakes. कोई transaction now you will find out it is very difficult to identify the mistakes. Goods of which 700 sold to Shwetu is recorded in purchase book. You sold goods to Shwetu, but you recorded in purchase book. मतलब mistakes you have done in the subsidiary books. In subsidiary books, book number 2 में you should write, but you wrote in the book number 1. And what you wrote? That you sold books, original entry number 5, original entry, you should write the SWITO. Shwetu account debit to sales. This is your journal actually of rupees 700. But what mistakes you have done? You have written it there, wrong entry, not in a sales books, but in a purchase book. Is recorded in purchase book. मतलब आपने goods Shwetu के पास Shwetu को goods sold किया, but आपने लिखा purchase book में. So here you wrote the purchase account debit to SWITO Shwetu account. How much? 700. These are mistakes you have done. Now RD. How will you do the RD? Very carefully you follow it. मेरा को डेबिट चाहिए Shwetu अकाउंट को 700 हो गया, क्रेडिट 700. मेरा को सेल्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट चाहिए था 700, सेल्स अकाउंट क्रेडिट आया ही नहीं, और परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, दैट आल्सो आई गॉट. So one by one you come first. First you come. Shwetu account will be debited by 700, but by mistake it was credited by 700. So I will write here the Shwetu account credit, because sorry debit account है ना, I should make it a debit. एक एक्चुअल एंट्री है Shwetu अकाउंट, मेरे को डेबिट 700 चाहिए, जो नहीं मिला मेरे को क्रेडिट हो गया, तो आई विल मेक इट ए डेबिट 1400. क्यों ना, ये 700 जो क्रेडिट हुआ था कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बाकी पड़ा रहेगा 700. The account which debit I want 700 but I got credit, तो for correction के लिए 700 will be minus and for original के लिए again 700 I should get. So this was corrected. Now sales account I should get credit 700 which I did not get. So you get it sales account credit. That also corrected. Here Shwetu account was corrected. Now purchase account debit by mistakes it came, which I do not want. So two purchase account you write it here, which automatically it will be cancelled. So your journal will be Shwetu account debit, two sales, two purchase. If I write this journal, and automatically it will be corrected by the wrong one, and you will get the correct one. See purchase account debit, purchase account credit will be cancelled. Sales account credit, I already got the sales account credit, and here you see the Shwetu account actually it is debit. I wrote 1400, but credit cancel हो जाएगा 700, so पड़ा रहेगा 700. So actually your journal is Shwetu account debit, two sales, two purchase. You see the answer? The Shwetu account debit 1400, two sales, two purchase is correct answer. Now come to the sixth one. What is the sixth? Sixth it is given. Goods of which 1250 purchase from Rekha is recorded in sales book by rupees 250. Goods purchased from Rekha. So first you write the journal, purchase account credit to Rekha. purchase account debit to Rekha account. How much? This is original entry. Purchase account debit to Rekha 1250. This journal original one. What is the wrong entry? Wrong entry is happened is recorded in sales books. Is recorded in sales book by ₹250. अमाउंट में भी रॉन्ग है, अकाउंट में भी रॉन्ग है, सेल्स बुक में रिकॉर्ड हो गया. तो रेखा अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट इट हैपेंस. हाउ मच? 250. नाउ पॉइंट कम टू द पॉइंट. आर मेरे को जो एक्स्ट्रा आ गया उसको कैंसिल करो, जो नहीं आया उसको लेके आओ. परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट 1250 मेरे को चाहिए, यहाँ परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट 1250 नहीं आया, तो राइट इट. परचेस अकाउंट डेबिट 1250 ये आ गया. रेखा अकाउंट क्रेडिट चाहिए 1250, लेकिन डेबिट हो गया 250, तो मेरे को क्रेडिट कर दो टू रेखा अकाउंट. क्या है? क्रेडिट चाहिए 1250 बट डेबिट हो गया 250, तो 1250 प्लस 250 इसमें भी 1500 रेखा को क्रेडिट कर. तो रेखा करेक्ट हो गया. सेल्स अकाउंट मेरे को गलती से क्रेडिट आ गया, तो मेरे को डेबिट कर दो. तो यह टू रेखा यहाँ लिखता है, और सेल्स अकाउंट गलती से क्रेडिट हो गया, तो मेरे को नहीं चाहिए सेल्स अकाउंट डेबिट और देखो 1250, 250 and 1500. See your answer. Purchase account debit 1250, sales account debit 250 and Rekha account debit. Next you are getting number 7. 7 what is given here? Amount also value 7 is there 8. 200 credited by bank as interest in the passbook. Bank credit किया, interest दिया, bank has given interest to us. Your journal should be bank account debit to interest. Bank account debit to bank interest. ये आपको journal है. How much? 200. और मिस्टेक what you have done is recorded in the payment side of the cash book. Cash book में डेबिट साइड में लिखना था, because cash book का बैंक कॉलम में डेबिट साइड में लिखना था, but you wrote in the credit column. Credit column means you wrote the reverse entry. Bank interest account debit to, you wrote the bank interest account debit to bank. If you pass this journal, then only if you go to the credit side. हो गया क्या? बैंक को डेबिट करना था 200, हो गया क्या? बैंक क्रेडिट हो गया 200, तो करेक्ट क्या करो? बैंक अकाउंट को डेबिट करो. कितना? 400. तो बैंक अकाउंट करेक्ट हो गया. और बैंक इंटरेस्ट को क्रेडिट करना था, डेबिट हो गया, तो क्रेडिट कर दो बैंक इंटरेस्ट 400. देखो करेक्शन किया. Bank account debit to bank interest is the actual answer, but we wrote bank interest account to account debit to bank. Reverse हो गया, तो मेरे को करेक्ट करना है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक इंटरेस्ट, but amount will be double. So one amount will be here 200 for correction and that 200 will be left for the getting original. The last one, 300 paid for salary is debited to salary account by 400. Salary account debit to cash. How much? 300. But you wrote here 400 and you wrote here 300. See the mistakes. Salary 300 paid is debited to salary account 400. यू पेड सैलरी 300 बट सैलरी अकाउंट को आपने 400 रुपये डेबिट किया, एंट्री वाज करेक्ट, सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश, बट हियर यू wrote 400, here you wrote 300. There is a mistake, but here is not a mistake. Whereas furniture sold rupees 400 is credited to furniture account by rupees 500. This is one mistake. Okay? Another mistake. I am writing the direct mistakes only. Another mistake is there. Cash account debit to furniture. Cash account debit to furniture, actually it is 400. Cash account debit to furniture 400, but here in furniture account आपने 500 लिखा. Is not it? Mistakes you try to understand. Salary account debit to cash generally is correct, but salary account में 400 लिखा, cash में तो salary account में 100 रुपया ज़्यादा लिखा. तो debit it was 300 plus 100 extra. Credit 400 plus 100 एक्स्ट्रा. हो गया क्या? डेबिट क्रेडिट में 800 हो गया, 400 400, यहाँ भी 300 500 800 हो गया और ट्रायल बैलेंस कैसे हो जाएगा. लेकिन हुआ क्या? सैलरी अकाउंट वाज मोर बाय 100 एंड डेबिट वाज मोर बाय 100 एंड फर्नीचर अकाउंट वाज आल्सो मोर बाय 100 व्हिच इज क्रेडिट. तो आई विल डू द रिवर्स एंट्री. रिवर्स एंट्री मतलब जो ज़्यादा हो गया उसको कम कर दो, जो कम हो गया उसको ज़्यादा पैसा. सैलरी अकाउंट ज़्यादा हो गया, कितना? 100 रुपया डेबिट, तो उसको क्रेडिट कर. सैलरी अकाउंट कितना? 100. तो सैलरी से ज़्यादा हो गया डेबिट, उसको क्रेडिट कर दिया. ये करेक्शन हो गया. फर्नीचर क्रेडिट था, वो ज़्यादा हो गया, उसको डेबिट कर दिया. देखो क्रेडिट ज़्यादा हो गया फर्नीचर, तो डेबिट कर दिया, तो फर्नीचर करेक्शन हो गया. सैलरी डेबिट ज़्यादा था, क्रेडिट कर दिया, तो सैलरी करेक्ट हो गया. I will tell you students, if you are following or watching the once this video, you will not understand. At least more than 2 times you watch the video, try to understand. Even though if you do not understand, you will mark the place where particular place you do not understand. I will clear your doubt. Hope you are understanding. Okay. Bye. All the best.